Hi technology reviewers, how are you guys? Well, I bought myself a shaving head for my 9000 series Philips SH90 3D. So guys, you know this machine, it's a great tool for shaving, but after 3 years this head had enough. I think he can go on 1 year, but it didn't shave anymore like it was when I unsealed it. If you don't know the review, guys, I recommend you to watch it. It's a great machine. In the meantime, I saw other models, but I eventually stick up with this 9000 series SH90 3D and buy a shaving head because I don't think there is a greater quality than this shaving head. This is for the 9000 series. It tells you on the box, on the manufacturer box, what shaving head to buy. So in my case, I had to buy RQ12, and sincerely, I watched this and I bought the RQ12 PRO without knowing. When it came, it has this Pro, and I don't know, it has this, if you see here, the heads are bending, but these are not bending inside, are only bending on this sides, on this side and this, but inside of this part, it's not bending forwards or backward or left or right. Also, I'm seeing a new design on the edges with these nice lines. I think and I hope to be more improved than this original head. So this was the original head that the shaving machine came with. On the back we have the RQ10, I think it works, and RQ12. Guys, I saw a sale for a Philips 9000 also, but the 9000 entry level, and I thought why not to buy that machine, but it has a different head, RH8, something like this, and I didn't want this. I want a shaving head. Also, it's 80 euros. It's pretty expensive. I didn't expect this price. Also, I bought it, and I'm looking forward to see if it's that good, if it's better. I think it's 20%, 30% more this Pro version than the normal, and I hope to be, because this machine costs a lot of money. So these shaving heads have some technologies. One of them is the V-Track Precision Pro that is advertised on this box, that leaves the hair, aligns it to cut it precise. The other one is that these heads move in 8 directions compared with the 5 directions. I think like this, I reviewed the machine that came with these heads from the box. This one has in 5 directions and this one has in 8 directions to fit on your face curves, to prevent the irritation on your face or the rash, if I'm saying right. And another good feature for this, it's the SensoTouch 3D, and this is the system of the SensoTouch 3D that you will fit your face, and the irritation and will be minimum, and the shaving will be greater. The hairlines will be cut exactly from the base. And let's see inside, guys. We have the head. That looks good. I know there are Chinese heads like this one, but guys, I don't think it will last you in time. Even if it cuts when you unseal it, that Chinese thing, it won't last you more than a few months. If you have opinions, I'm curious, what's the difference between a Chinese head and this original Philips head for this machine? Please comment in the box section, guys, for those of you who bought the Chinese heads. I think to myself to buy those Chinese heads. They are 3 times cheaper. Even I can see on this one it has a barcode scanner, and I cannot see a Philips brand on this packaging, neither than the front face of this packaging. And let's unbox it. So guys, here's the head. It doesn't have any Philips brand, and immediately I saw the difference. This part makes like this on forward and backwards, and even the metal thing goes forward, backward, and sideways. So are a lot of directions more. I hope this improved version will be awesome. Now, side-by-side comparison, yes, it has a different design. I don't know why Philips don't brand this heads to mark the Philips logo here somewhere. I can see I like this one better. I like this head that it's rounder than the old one. Let's say this is the generation 2 version on the top. But you know, the design is not important. The important thing is how it cuts. So we want a perfect cut, a rapid cut. I don't like to stay on the mirror to arrange myself. I don't like to stay more than a few minutes to shave myself. So let's cut to the chase, guys, and see how is the result. So guys, I didn't shave myself for 3 days, expecting this to be shipped. And the hairlines are having 1 millimeter, maximum 1.5. And this will be interesting because Philips advertises that in one slide you can cut the lines of the hair on your face and you don't have to make a lot of movements to cut it. So let's see. Man, it's great. Yes, it's very performant. You see, it's very rapid. I already have irritation on my tan. It's not that sensitive skin. These red stains are from the stress, are from a lot of work. The doctors don't have. I don't have a problem, but it's annoying for the videos to appear with these stains. So guys, there is a difference between the old head and the new head. I already see it doesn't pinch, it doesn't feel anything. So this head, it's great. It cuts the hell out of the hairlines on your face. And I can't be happier than this because I will not stay to shave myself more than a few minutes. I'm holding the camera now, it's a little bit difficult to shave myself, but I will do anything for my subscribers, for my people, for my YouTubers. I didn't tell you this head, it's silent, it cuts rapidly. I see some marks, it has a writing there, DB or something, DB08, something like this. It goes and it works with the 8000 series from Philips. You can clean easily. It's different from the old head, so it cuts precise. It has a lot of technologies. If you want to see more technologies for this shaving machine, watch our video we published a couple of years ago. And I got to say, for those of you who bought that shaving machine in that time, change the heads. Don't change it like the manufacturer says in 2 years, but change them in 3 years, 4 is maximum. You can change them to sense a lot of difference. And I got to tell you guys, if the manufacturer send me products, I will not lie for them. To make a point, to the brown shavers really advertise that shaving machines for 7 years. So this is what I'm talking about. You cannot give this a lot of money for 2 years changing these heads. These heads are 80 euros. With 80 euros you can buy yourself another shaving machine. Why not? Oh, of course, yes, will not be like this shaving machine is rechargeable. It has a lot of function. It will announce you and will tell you to change your head when it's deteriorated. So guys, I hope you like this review. Stick around and thumbs up for this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos, guys. Ideas, crazy ideas, and ideas, free ideas for people. Thank you for your support, guys, and have a great day. See you. Bye.